ROKU stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is ROKU Incorporated stock a buy? I'll be breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. And as the only person in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience of seeing what's working for me and what's not. Especially ROKU, but this is so nice. I mean, all I'm technically looking to do is just double down, buy more. Like, I don't know. My previous idea was on point. It just sort of tapped and came up. Here's the before. Now keep in mind, this is post-market when the video is made. And all I hoped I saw is a little pull down so I can take it up the next day. So that's exactly what I got. So that's Gucci. That's very good. The only thing that I'll be looking to do is trying to position myself in a way where if the price pulls down and gives me a double break, I will look to take it further up. But like randomly buying May, just not going to be happening. So that's ROKU. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.